Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a cake. It's 100% healthy, okay? And it's without maida. So let's start the video.
Hi friends, what he said is correct. It is a 100% healthy cake because I made this cake with oats flour. It is a basic sponge cake and you can use this as a base for any type of cake like vanilla cake, pineapple cake, white forest cake, butterscotch cake, anything. I am super excited to share this with you because I have got an amazing texture for this. Just like a normal cake which we are making with maida. The texture, the sponginess, softness, everything is same. And I can say this is a 100% healthy cake because I have used organic sugar, organic cane sugar for this and wood pressed sunflower oil. So let's see how I made it. So this is the oats flour what I am using for this cake. This is the normal Quaker oats, instant oats which I got it from supermarket. First I dry roast the oats and I made it as a powder. Then I sift it with the help of a sieve. While sifting you can see some brands on the sieve. Grind it again and again and sift it. Finally a little bran will be remaining that you can throw. Store this in an airtight glass container and you can use whenever necessary. So now into a sieve I am adding 1.5 cups of oats flour. I am using 250 ml measuring cup. 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda and a pinch of salt. I am going to sift it 3 times. At this time you can preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Next I am going to powder the sugar. So this is the sugar what I am using, Terra Greens organic sugar, and this is 1 cup. The buying link is there in the description box. If you want to buy this sugar, just click on the link. So I am going to beat the eggs now. So this is the 4 eggs. I have separated the egg whites and yolks. First I am going to beat the egg whites. Adding half teaspoon of lemon juice. This lemon juice will act as a stabilizer and it will prevent the overbeating. I am going to beat this until it is thick and frothy. See, if we do it upside down, then also it won't fall. That is the consistency. So now we are going to beat the egg yolks. Start with low speed and beat for 1 minute. Adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and beat well. Adding the powdered sugar little by little and continue beating. We have to beat it until we get a silky smooth consistency. I'll show you how it is. So this is how it is. Everything is combined well and it is very silky and flowy consistency. Adding 1/4 cup of wood pressed sunflower oil which I bought it from the local mill, not a refined one. And 1/4 cup of milk which is in room temperature. Beat this for 2 to 3 seconds. Adding the oats flour mix. First, mix it with a spatula, then start beating in low speed until everything is well combined. Adding the beaten egg whites in 3 addition. Gently fold it with a spatula. Do not overmix it. Just fold it in one direction, slowly. So this is the cake tin I am using. This is 11 by 7 inch rectangular tray. This I have lined it with a parchment paper and butter it. You can use a round pan, but use at least 8-inch pan for this measurement. Tap it for 2 to 3 times and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Always check after 25 minutes because every oven's temperature would be different. So I have baked it for exactly 30 minutes and the skewer inserted in the center also came out clean. So the cake is cooled completely. We will remove it from the tray. Loosen the sides with a knife and remove it into a plate. It is very soft and fluffy cake. Nobody will come to know we have made this with oats flour. There is no taste difference, nothing. Very spongy and moist cake. A healthy version which you can give it to your whole family. Very shortly, I will upload a birthday cake with oats flour. Please subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon for the future notification. Please like and share this with your friends and family. See you again with a new and healthy recipe. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.